And today we are going to do top 10 towns or Ghana, Chile, urban beautiful ladies Charlie them day. We are going to count down till number 1. But when they are research based on Amankasa Menu and other people's Awaswawati. And from number 10, town beautiful ladies wompa number 10 years Bama Tama ya town be a Roma. But when they yes, I say checks now when I'm on way nice pa. Na yeba number 9 yeba another oye Hapo City on also yes second Takrade second Takrade so nice beautiful chicks esha war skin color and war curves na no jinim. Number 8 yeba oye Takwa. Yes, Takwa no because of gold in a galam saying or when in so ya na na when you fen more would they around because when sikana mbaze were yet today when 6 and 9 inti takwa number 8 takwa a lot of beautiful ladies walk. Number 7 yes sunyane so ye krobia low key or the hobete Roma I say chicks na woman and besi afuna woman one ye fell papa Obi Bakere number 6 and why so soon? Yes, number 6 in Accra ye town bia chere ikroni na ni biwom bets and channel so biwom inti number 6 in the Accra ye town a lot of beautiful ladies room in there or nice but what beauty no ya nyane na no ya natural in that artificial ya more remember number 5 Vota, yes, Echo Hoa, another Aigbeland, and number 5, one Waja for Volta region, who know a lot of beautiful ladies. Now, number 4 position here, Koforidia Flowers, yes, a eastern side one. Even though there are a lot of beautiful girls. We're taking about 4 position. Now, number 3, a lot of people are asking how, when, and why. Question here. Tricky pa. Number 3 here, Cape Coast. Yes, Yawazo Yara Soko. Cape Coast here, town here, Kuma, Mbomba, Fefe pa, especially universities in Ubwebu and as in all kinds of beautiful ladies. Number 3, Central no chicks pa. Now guess the number 2 position. Number 2 position here, Tamalini, authentic, beautiful woman. I was in Kuto, Papa, what I saw was kind of my adado natural girls. And when they one who within, outer, and all the side. And Tamale girl or what hips and with old Jim, Nescan that door, that door, Cocoya, tuntum. Into number 2 position here, the mat Tamale. Now, before I ever show number 1 position, I say subscribe to that channel. Share video will be share. Number 1 position is why you the Otiko so na American. So Kumasi has a lot of beautiful ladies. I say one year for one or Kasana 1 year. Na the way I wear your one yamanese. Eshe Kumasi pay roha. And by one year fair from or son or Koko fair one. Kumasi will take the position as at now. Work at the city with the most beautiful women as at now. Or Kumasi. And Tasa going to have transformers. Or say Chrome girls. Or have a muhu on the comment section. All be lie.